guys, it's Emily. This is day 2 of renovating. Yesterday I had a tap out last night. It was around 10:25 when I tapped out, and honestly I have one wall left right there. Don't mind the stuff on the bed. I've been like cleaning everything out, bagging stuff, like it's just been so much. So this is day 2 of renovations. I'm going to explain what I've done so far and things like that so you guys are with me. I'm also going to show you a little shopping haul I did. But before I get started, leave a like, a comment down below, and yeah, let's get this started. Yesterday, I basically painted 4 walls. And I have 3 more left. It's just like these small walls that is making the room so much longer. So I painted that, and then I tapped out at 10:30. And then I had to go get more paint because I ran out of paint. So I had to go back to Home Depot. And also, during this renovation, I'm having to clean out this room basically. Everything that's like old clothes or my sister didn't want is getting either donated or thrown out. Things that are like ripped up or like stained, I'm throwing out, or like things that are like she told me she didn't want is getting thrown out. Clothes that is decent is getting donated, which makes me happy because I know there's more people that need clothes, and why throw it out when it could go to somebody in need. So I've been bagging stuff. I've been doing stuff along the way, not just painting. So it's just a work in process right now of getting this room to where I exactly want it to be. And today, also last night, I was so sore, but like that's why I tapped out last night. I was super sore. So I thought I was gonna wake up today and I wasn't gonna be able to move, but it's just my kneecaps, my knees, and like my buttocks and my shoulders are hurting, and a little bit of my calves. But I'm surprised I'm not hurting as bad as I thought I was gonna, because I was going up and down the ladder, I was squatting, I was on the floor, I was picking up furniture, I was picking up bags of stuff, I was bagging stuff, I was just doing a lot yesterday. And there was just so much in the process of doing it that I was just like, I'm overworking myself, I need to tap out. That's it. So my plan for today, for day 2, I want to show you guys what I got. I got 3 technically, but the one, it's technically 2. I got curtains, new curtains for the room, and I got hangers, which obviously, but I'm going to show you anyways because why not? But yeah, day 2 today. I think I'm going to finish the wall. I'm not sure, but I'm most likely going to finish the wall and possibly do the touching up everywhere, like the ceiling and the windowsills and the door that I still have to paint. It's just a work in progress. And then on top of this, I have to move all my stuff into this room. Like I started with my clothes a little bit, but I have to bring in like my outfits, and that's why I bought hangers, and I'm keeping the ones that are already in there. They're white, so might as well. I'm just trying to make this room how I envisioned what I want it to look like. And it's starting to come out the way I literally envisioned. It's just getting it to where I want to be is a process. And a lot of progress is getting done because when I'm committed to getting something done, I'm going to get it done. And I'm going to put myself on a time limit. So it's like a test for me. Because I have a new bed coming in, and it's not coming till, so the frame is not coming till March 31st, and my bed is not coming till April 2nd. So I want to get everything done in this room till that date. And once I got everything done between my room and this room, I'm done. That's it. That's it. And then I could show you guys a room tour, my new bed, all that good stuff. But right now we're just in the messy part of it. It's not, is it messy? Yeah, it's pretty messy. But just bear with me. I'm going to show you guys right now what I got. And then, okay guys, so I'm going to show you a little shopping haul, what I got. me just check my phone real quick. Alright. They literally just said alright. So I don't know if you guys ever heard of this store. It's called Ross, and it's one of my favorite stores. And don't come at me in the comments like, oh, she shopped at a department store. Yes, I do. So I found this really good deal, 30 hangers for $8, and they're great, and they're gonna match my room perfectly, and I want everything to match each other, so that's what I'm doing. So I got these 30 pack of hangers, and then I'm gonna show you guys right now. I'm gonna move this way. Okay. I got this beautiful curtain. So I had to get a floor panel because the window, there's 2 windows, and then you could 2 curtains on each window. So I had to get 4, so it was like $12.99 each, which was not bad. So I got these, and it has like these cute little swirls on it. So this is the curtain, very cute. And it's sheer. That's what I was looking for. I was going between gray or white, and when I seen this, I was like, I have to get it. It's just perfect. So yeah, that's my little shopping haul for you guys. I finished the wall. The wall is done. So I'm gonna end day 2 here because I have no more footage to show you guys. But I'm gonna show you something real quick. Oh my god, my lips are so chapped. It is so bad. So I didn't realize my hair hit the wall. So now I have to get this out of my hair. So I'm going to go shower right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed day 2 renovation painting day. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.